Hello, welcome back to the next section of this estimation and costing. We had talked in last lecture about the center line method. In this method, we had calculated for one room, okay, then this two-room building, and we had also discussed about this junction concept, okay. Uh, Center line method is nothing but in this method we just we measure or we use the total center length of the structure. Okay. So today we will talk about this example number 5B of BN Datta. Let me show you the diagram of the this problem. This is the complete plan of this exercise. In this building there is two we'll divide this in two segments. One is 30 centimeter thick wall segment and other is 20 centimeter thick wall segment. So we will calculate for these two segments separately the total center lengths. Okay, so and this is the cross section of the two types of walls, and this is door various doors and window sizes. Okay, the main thing is in center line method is this junction concept, where we have to consider the junction or where we have to consider not we treat as simple. Okay, so let's talk about, first we calculate the total center length of all 30 centimeter walls. So first we calculate the total center length of all 30 centimeter walls. Okay, so this all 30 centimeter walls of main roofs consist of two segments: total center length of walls of drawing and left side bedroom, and the total center length of walls of bedrooms right side. Okay, so in this two times of center to, you can directly refer to this formula, or otherwise I had did this separately for you in this diagram. I had segregated these two diagrams. This is two parts. Okay, so this dark portion is first part and this portion is second part. Okay, only 30 centimeter walls we will consider. So this in this also this 37.10 is for first part and 28.80 is second part, and finally it comes 65.90. so how this 37.10 comes, it is mentioned here like this: this 6 plus 4, this 6 long wall length plus 4, and this wall thickness 0.3, and half wall thickness here and half wall thickness here, and multiply it by 2 because there are two long walls. Then the short walls. So which one is short wall? This and this. These three are short walls. So we will multiply this by 3 and we will get this short wall. So 5 is clear in length, 0.3 is wall thickness, center to center distance is 5.3, 3 short walls, so multiply it by 3. So we will get this finally 37.10 is total center length of this first part. Similarly, we will calculate the total center length of the second part. We don't add this length because this is already considered in this portion here, somewhere here. Okay, or somewhere here. So we will not add this length in calculation of this part. So 4.5 plus wall thickness multiplied by 2 because two long walls, and 5 plus 4 plus this internal wall 0.3 and this wall thickness multiplied by 2 will get this short wall distance. So just add this, you will get this. Now the number of junctions. So number of junctions for the 30 centimeters walls are marked as cross sign in the main plan. I will show you how we'll use this junction concept in future calculations. So first I will show you how this number of junctions comes out 6. This 6 junctions. Okay, where is this 6 junctions? One is here, one is junction. This is 30 centimeter wall, this is 30 centimeter wall, it is meeting at here, so it is a junction. this 30 centimeter wall, this is 30 centimeter meeting here, it is a junction. So 1 2 3 4 and this 5 and this 6, this all these 6 are junctions. Don't confuse with the corners. Corners are different and junctions are different. So this way there are 6 junctions. We will use it in final. Just memorize just consider and remember this, that in first portion there are 6 junctions in 30 centimeter walls. How it is comes. Now we will do the calculation for total center length of all 20 centimeter walls of same type of front veranda, back veranda, including bathroom. Okay. So again the same thing, you just note down this, just read and clearly I will show you the calculation here. You just do it yourself, otherwise you will not get any idea how this comes out. I will show you this simple calculation part in this 9.6. This is already we discussed in my previous video, how this 9.65 come, how this 2.25 come and 9.65 comes. Okay, so this is 27 and this is front veranda, this is back veranda, this is back veranda, this is you have to don't calculate this length. This is already calculated in first part. Similarly, this dark portion is already calculated in second part. So we will use only this center length. This is only considered in this and these 2 side walls will consider. Okay. Now the important thing and new thing is about the junctions. Here the junctions are 5. These 5 junctions, 1 2 3 4 and 5 junctions. One is in these 5 junctions are 20 centimeter wall is meeting with 30 centimeter wall, and this one junction is where 20 centimeter wall is meeting with 20 centimeter wall. So I shown this is my minus sign. Okay, I will show you the clear picture in book that is very clear in this diagram. So where is these junctions? This is junction 1, this is junction 2, this 2 junctions, and then this junction 3, this junction 4, this junction 5. This is junction, but this is 30 centimeter wall junction. So this junction is with 20 centimeter wall. So this 1 2 3 junctions, and this one similar minus junction 3 4 and 5 junctions. Okay, just calculate, understand this clearly, and if you have any doubt you can ask me telephonically or on Google Post, or you can just rewind my video 2-3 times. You will definitely understand the concept of this junctions. Okay, so now prepare the table for this calculation part as we do in other examples. This is serial number and these various items, and here the total center length. Total center length is of 2 parts. One is with 30 centimeter wall, one type, and another is 20 centimeter wall, second type. So this way you can do the breadth and height we have from the plans and elevation sections. Okay, the total center length, total center length I already discussed. Total center length minus this junction 6, there are 6 junctions, so minus 6 into half breadth. Breadth is 90 by 2. This 90, where this 90 comes? This 90 comes from here. This is 90. This total width. Excavation will be in this 30 centimeter wall, and we are talking about excavation, so bottom width will be counted. So this way, this 63.20 you can calculate. There are 5 junctions in 30 centimeter walls, so again 90 by 2 we can utilize, but one junction is in similar walls, so similar wall is at higher level. This wall is at higher level, higher elevation, so at that elevation the width is different. So this minus 60 by 2 we will utilize for excavation. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is for this junction. This one junction we will use this width, half breadth, not this, because it is at higher level and the width of the footing is less. But in this case, higher side is 30 centimeter wall is very thick, so we have to excavate for 30 centimeter, and that way we can do deductions for the common portion in center line method. Okay, the same length can be utilized for this lime concrete in foundation, but there is difference in lime concrete due to the elevation. If we go at higher level, the width is different, so you have to consider this level also, the width at the same level. What width I required at that level, I have to utilize that width only. So this, you just think over it. Actually this is reasonable question how this expression come, but if you think, you can discover. If don't able to understand, you may please feel free to ask this question, because this is very conceptual thing. Okay, then this first class brickwork, we have to utilize the same length for which we have to do the brickwork, and the width the same for which we have to do the brickwork, and the height for which we have to do the brickwork. Similar, very simple concept. So you just use this, and I expect you more questions from this from this exercise. You just complete this, solve this by yourself, then only you can understand this problem. For data, you can pause your video, pause my video, and you can take the whole data from there. Okay, so I expect you some questions from your side in next coming lecture. Okay, thank you.